All right, welcome to my little overview review of Pro Sound Effects Vehicles library, the basic version of that library. So right off the bat, as you can see here, so it comes in a bunch of different categories. I mean, you've got pretty much anything you want, really. You got antique cars, which is really cool. Let's see, let's go through a few. Some good stuff. Some good suspension. Yeah, some cool stuff in there. So some of my favorite stuff on this is the motorcycles. I love that it's got a bunch of Harleys in it. So like with some of the other stuff, it's got some a workup on. It's got a nice workup on. It's like an '86 Harley, which is really cool. So you have like engine idle. Tasty. And so a workup is basically any angle you can think of, any pass by, like this. In fast, you have engine starts, approach, so like a medium approach. Starting far away and coming closer. I love these. These are so good. On board even, that's really cool. That's a cool angle. Yeah, that's really good. I love that. Rolling car. What does that mean? Oh, so you're from the perspective of being in a vehicle. That's cool. It's really specific, actually. Yeah, short idle. I mean, sound really good, really good. Oh, Kawasaki dirt bike. Yeah. Kickstart stuff. That's really good. I mean, that you can use this in all sorts of stuff. Especially the excuse me, the you use the base layer for anything really, like robots, any sort of engine. It's not a car engine, so it's a little less obvious, but I love the way those sound. Those are really, really good. Let's see. What else? I found funny that we have wagons. So if you want to do some Red Dead Redemption redesigns, you can have your wagon rolls. And then yeah, it's funny how they break this down. Horse-drawn carriage. Ooh, horse winning. There you go. Medium pass by with a wagon. Those are pretty cool, actually. Yeah, so let's go into like there's military stuff. Which is cool. So there's like interior stuff. What are these? Oh, like switches. Hood. That's really cool. weapons carrier, so like that's cool. Slow pass. You know, it's got your typical pass bys and stuff when your engine starts. I like that stuff a lot. Miscellaneous. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh. That's really specific. Again, I love this. That's cool too. Parking car. Oh, walk into your car in the parking garage. Huh. I'm sorry, let's read this real fast. First vehicle center post wrap on window between driver's passenger side doors. Tell you, there's some stuff in these Pro Sound Effect libraries that are like so specific to a certain thing that it's funny. Let's see. Oh, mechanical. Sedan. Oh, cool. See, this is where it gets really cool. So you got like the little details inside the cars, or in this case, windshield wipers outside. But trunks, door unlocks. That's really cool. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, that's really cool too. Yeah, turn signals. See, that's the little stuff that you need that you never seem to have. Yeah, that's good. Some good stuff in there. Let's see. What else is really cool in here? I mean, you got buses, which is great. Some larger vehicles, just instead of trying to fake it with a car and pitching it down or something. Air. What we got in there? Oh, yeah, that's cool. See, now I'm just clicking stuff. Let's see. And yeah, in modern cars you got, you know, SUVs, what else in here? Sedans, Caprice, town car, Mustang. Cab cars, that's cool. And then trucks, I found this is really cool. So it's like it's a workup of a Toyota Land Cruiser, which is really cool. So this is like an example of one of the workups that they talk about. So you've got like, you know, you got the regular pass-bys, which is cool. And then, you know, we got all the other stuff. So like doors. And just a constant drive. That's really good. That's good for anything. A good emergency brake sounds really nice. Yeah, I mean, it's a really good breakdown of pretty much anything you'd ever need if you were to mock one of these up, whether it's actually a Toyota Land Cruiser, which they don't make them anymore, so good luck, and but it works for anything. So you have those little details like that, especially that emergency brake. I keep thinking about that. That's really, really good. That works in anything. Emergency brakes and emergency brake. So, and door like a more gentle pass by. Ooh, that's really nice too. It's a cool breakdown of stuff. Yeah, I think this is a great addition to my collection here. I mean, it's got a little bit of everything. It's not, the full collection, because that's got a crazy amount of workups in it. But this is definitely more than, like, I'll show you um, let's see. So this is the Odyssey Essentials, but I mean, you don't have the full workups of stuff. Like you've got rolls, I've got a bunch of stuff in here, but it's not the same. We've got doors and things, but see, it's not the same. I probably have more horns in there. What do we got? No, see. Yeah, these are specific, and it's a different variety of stuff. Like these are more these not exotic, but it's a different variety than the more modern stuff in the Odyssey Essentials. But these have specific workups of things. So Grand Cherokee, like you have multiple angles on multiple different vehicles. So this is probably, if you're looking for something that's going to fulfill a specific car need, I'd probably go for this over just going for the essentials for what's in there for cars. I really like this. I think it's gonna improve like a lot of spaceship sounds for me, which is cool. You can, especially those motorcycle sounds, that'll be fun to tweak. And yeah, I think it's gonna open more redesigns now that I have a bunch of those workups that have more than just one or two pass-bys of a specific vehicle. So yeah, so again, we have that promo code if you guys want to check it out. And yeah, I think it's really great. I'll see you next time.